on July 15, 1410, one of the largest battles in medieval Europe took place. The fateful confrontation between legions of the Polish-Lithuanian alliance and the Prussian-Teutonic Order. Tens of thousands of knights fought a ferocious battle on the vast plains of Grunwald in what is now northern Poland. Now, more than 600 years later, a spectacular multimedia installation built by VisualSupport for Historyland in Krakow lets you witness this momentous battle. A stunning 200 square meter large model crowded with tens of thousands of LEGO minifigures on horses, accompanied by a spectacular audiovisual show, illustrates this decisive event. A massive 18 projectors, all from Sony's latest 3D Bright Era System series, with the cutting-edge Z-Phosphor laser light source, display a dazzling show of high-resolution images in bright and realistic colors. 5 powerful Sony VPL FHZ60 projectors with ultra-short-throw lenses illuminate the huge battlefield model, showing the course of that historic event. The other 13 Sony VPL FHZ57 projectors immerse spectators in a 360-degree scenery projected on the background screens that surround the battlefield, covering its surface from end to end. The entire installation is managed by a set of media servers using Dataton's watch-out software. To further enhance the experience, visitors can use 6 touchscreen tablets to interactively control numerous projections. Thanks to this amazing technology, you feel as if you're right in the middle of one of Europe's most historic battles.